Let's have a fun night. This night is about Ashley. The night she expected and the night that she wanted, that she's wanted for so long. I'm gonna do my part, and can't believe she's my wife.
Good evening, everybody. Today we celebrate the love between Connor Nichols and Ashley Nanfria. Their journey as individuals have brought them to this moment where they choose freely and wholeheartedly to walk forward together as partners in life.
I do want to say how proud Emily and I are of these two, watching them grow up from teenagers, really, right, Ashley? You've been on our family vacations. You've been part of our family for all these years. And Connor, we're so proud of you. You're such a great man, and we're super proud and happy for you guys.
Ashley, standing here with you today is truly where I am meant to be. You are more than a soulmate. You are the single most important part of my life. From the moment we locked eyes and shared our first kiss, my life completely changed. Loving you is kind of like that feeling you get when a golden retriever runs up to you and gives you love. I know you'll understand that because we get to feel that every single day with our beautiful golden family.
When I was young and Connor was about 18, and I was like, are we ever gonna get along? Are we ever gonna do anything together? Are we ever gonna be able to say, I love my brother? But Ashley really made it happen. I swear, I swear.
Connor, the day we waited for is finally here. And in this moment, I can say, I am marrying the greatest man I've ever met. After all of these years of loving you, I can still find something new to love about you every day. Your singing voice, the way you laugh, your home-cooked meals, and how deeply you care for those around you. And more importantly, how you know when I need you most. What do you think?
Exactly what I wanted. I love it.
Did you expect it?
It's better.
Love you. Yay! What do you think?
You look beautiful. Can't believe it's this day.
I know.
I promise to keep making you laugh, to be your rock in every challenge, and build you a home filled with love, trust, and happiness. I can't wait to be your husband and continue our wonderful life together. I love you forever and ever, baby.
I vow to stand behind you and support you on the tough days and be your biggest cheerleader for the little wins. I vow to stand in front of you when you need protection and beside you through the good times and the bad. I vow to never stop trying and always show you the best version of myself. I vow to love you for everything you are right now and everything you're still becoming.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Connor, you may now kiss the bride. It is my great honor to present to you, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Connor and Ashley Nichols.
Connor, thank you for being the kind of people who show up, for your loyalty, your generosity, for the way you love your friends and your family, and the most importantly, for the way you love each other.
I just want to wish you both many years of happiness, love, and laughter, and wonderful communication. Connor, I'm so thankful that you're in our life now officially. I love you so much. I'm so happy you're my son. Cheers, everybody.
My wish for you is a lifetime in continuing to choose each other, being each other's biggest cheerleaders, and maybe just a little bit of golden retriever hair everywhere. Cheers to Ashley and Connor.
So good.
Congratulations to the two of you. I appreciate everybody being here and enjoying this special day. So, cheers to the two of you.
Love is a feeling, yes. But more importantly, it's a choice. And I choose you. Connor, nothing makes me prouder than to call you my husband today and knowing that I get to spend forever growing old with you. I love you.
I love you.